In this video, I'm going to show you how you have to submit your solutions when you have a unit test. The first thing you do is that you sign in with your account in Easier Than You Think. Then you go to ePractice. Then you click on your course. Then you select the unit that you have the unit test. For instance, this is unit 1. Then you select test. Then here you will see all available tests. For instance, this one is sample unit 1 test. Then you click on start test. Now it tells you to have your calculator pencil ready, your notebook, and your test is not going to be multiple choice. Your test is going to be all open response questions. So you click on start the test when you're ready. Now, you will see the questions that you have to answer. You don't need to put anything inside the boxes here. The only thing you have to do is that you have to write down very neatly the solution to each of these problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook. And then what you have to do after you are finished with the test, you have to take a picture using your cell phone or scan the solutions. Then what you have to do is that you have to save those pictures anywhere that you can remember, let's say on desktop or any folder you want. When you are done with that one, just go ahead and click on submit. You don't need to again to put anything here. You click submit, you are done. When you are done with the submission, what you have to do is to open a blank document. When you open the blank document, my advice to you, make the margin as big as possible because you don't want to squeeze the images. So make it as big as possible and also at the bottom. Now what you have to do, just hit a couple of enter here. One is enough. Then go and insert the pictures. So click on the picture. Now go and find the folder that you saved the picture. For instance, I saved it on desktop and I called it page 1. Now if you have 2 or 3 pages, then you're going to have page 1, page 2, page 3. Then you insert it in your Word document. You can see that the orientation of the image is not correct. So what I'm going to do, and I expect you to do, is to turn it so it looks like a real page. Now you can see the image of the solutions and make sure the solutions are easily readable by me, because you don't want to have to submit something which I cannot read. And the whole reason of you submitting the solution is to get part mark if part of your solution is correct and you don't want to lose everything. So that's why, there is no multiple choice. When we are done with all these, let's say 2 or 3 images, you just go on file. My advice to you, save the Word document for your own safety, just to have it in your records. But the one that you have to submit is the PDF. So click on PDF, then call this file with your first name, last name. Let's say Jane Doe, and then save it somewhere. I'm going to save it on my desktop. So click on save. Now, if I go on my desktop, you can see that the Jane Doe is here. If I double click on it, you will see the PDF of the file here. This is what I'm going to submit. Now, how you submit? Again, this time you go to your D2L account, then you go to assignments, then You will see the Unit 1 test submission, and here you are going to submit the PDF file. Remember, I only accept one PDF file. Do not submit any image, any Word document, nothing. Just one PDF file.